What's up guys, and welcome back to Iron Mustang. On today's video, we're going to be wrapping up our valve train. We are going to be installing our Scorpion roller rockers, setting our preload, and getting our valve covers put on. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
Alright, now it's time to get some rockers in place. With some assembly lube here. Reminder, make sure that the flat part as opposed to the round part faces up. Now we're going to go through and put all of our adjusters on the studs. Just a few threads right now. So next up here, we're going to adjust the preload on our lifters. And to do that, we're going to put the engine at top dead center. I'm going to line up both my little dots on my timing set right here. So we know our firing order and we know we're at top dead center. Now every time I rotate the crank 90 degrees, that's going to put us on the next cylinder to make the adjustments. So we're going to go ahead, right now we're on top dead center. We're going to start on 1. We're going to turn the rod, push rod, until it just stops moving on both cylinders. Sorry, both valves. Give each of them 1/2 turn preload. Make sure to check what your preload is supposed to be on your specific lifters. And then, so we know we're finished with that cylinder, we're going to go ahead and put the locks in. Get it nice and snug. Nice and snug. Now, like I said, we're going to rotate the engine 90 degrees. So 1, 3. It's going to be our next cylinder we're going to adjust. 90 degrees. As you can see, we're on the compression stroke of that, so we got no movement. Also, we want to make sure we push these lifters down to make sure that there was no drag on them, we're not adjusting them improperly. And we're ready to do cylinder number 3 here. So again, hand tighten them down to where they just stop moving. One half. One half. Run our locks down. Now again, 90 degrees. We're going to be on cylinder number 7 now. I'm going to verify that we don't get any movement here. Make sure these are all the way down. Just barely snug them. Half turn. Get our lock in there. One half turn. Put in our lock. And I'm going to finish the rest in a time lapse. And that's all there is to setting the preload on your lifters. Really easy process as long as you understand the compression cycle. And you're on the compression stroke, run it through its course from cylinder to cylinder, every 90 degrees, adjust the next cylinder, done. Whole process took me 15 minutes with filming it, and I know it's done right. So after you've finished doing all your valve train, it's time to put your valve covers on. Probably replace these gaskets with some nicer ones later on. That's what I got for the moment.